Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you all about the rating system in IT companies. So lot of you have a very common query and you all keep asking me ki, what is the rating system in the different companies? What is the appraisal system basically, and what type of ratings do you get? And do you get a hike with your rating, or do you get a promotion with your rating? So I'm going to discuss all these things in this video, and I'm sure that you are going to find this video very informative and useful. Now, coming to the main point, there are different types of appraisals which happen, or rather performance reviews which happen in any company. So in some companies, they have mid-year appraisals. Some companies have year-end appraisals, and there are companies which combine all the appraisals and give the year-end appraisal at March, because usually March May you have the financial year ending, so usually they give the appraisal in March. So this thing basically varies from companies to companies. So also it varies from your designation to designation, that whether you are eligible for for your mid-year appraisal or end-year appraisal. So based on when you have joined the company, how many years you have completed in the company. So there are different conditions on which this thing depends upon. But as a fresher, when you're joining, usually freshers don't have this mid-year appraisals or year-end appraisals. They have a default appraisal at the end of 1 year or at the end of 18 months. Like the period depends on the company. So some companies have 18 months ka period, and some companies have 1 year ka period. So the freshers ke liye, this appraisal is a very default appraisal. And so I'm going to tell you what are the different types of ratings. So usually in any appraisal, you get 5 ratings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in some companies, 1 is the best rating and 5 is the worst rating. While in some companies, 5 is the best rating and 1 is the worst rating. So this depends from companies to companies ki what is their rating process. So let us consider that 1 is the best rating and 5 is the worst rating. So who is eligible for getting this 1 rating? It is usually those who are the best performers in their project who are eligible for this 1 rating. And 1 rating is obviously the best. That means you are definitely going to get a promotion, and along with it, you are going to get the best hike, which is sanctioned for that post. So it can be 10,000, 11,000. So obviously it depends on what is your current salary. So you are going to get the best hike percentage. Obviously that depends on the budget of your project, the budget of the company. But yes, you are going to get the best hike with the 1 rating. So I'm considering 1 rating as the best rating. So this was for 1 rating. Now if you are getting 5 rating, that means you are worst performer. Obviously you are not going to get a hike, but you are also going to get terminated from the company. So if you are going to get a 5 rating, you are going to be terminated from the company. Next comes 2 rating, second rating. Now second rating, as you all understand, is slightly below the first rating. So obviously everyone doesn't get the best rating, because there is a budget constraint. So it is usually the one or two, a few other top performers who get the 1 rating. After that, you all get the second rating. Now second rating the hike is obviously lesser than the first rating. So if in first rating you are getting around 10,000 hike in hand per month, then in second rating you may be getting around 6,000 to 7,000 hike in salary. And obviously you're also going to get the promotion along with your raise in salary. So this is for the second rating. Now coming to the second from bottom, that is fourth rating. Now in fourth rating also you are not going to get any salary hike. But in this case, like what was happening in 5 rating, you are directly terminated from the company. But in 4 rating, you are going to be sent for 3 months of performance improvement program, or PIP. And if you do not if you do not perform satisfactorily in this PIP, in this PIP program, then you are going to get terminated from the company. But if you perform properly, then you are going to be retained in the company. But yes, you are not going to get any promotion or any hike in salary for 4 rating. Now finally, what is left is the third rating. So third rating, as you can understand. Now here is a slightly different thing. For freshers, usually since it is a default promotion, so even if they get 3 rating, they are going to get promoted along with a small hike in salary. So as I said, if 1 rating get 10,000, 2 rating get around 6,000, 7,000, then 3 ratings will get around 2,000 to 4,000 hike in salary. So for 3 ratings, you're going to get a small hike in salary along with your promotion for freshers. But if you are experienced higher, then usually for 3 ratings you do not get any in any promotion. You only get a hike in salary. But again, this condition, this rules, this policies varies from companies to companies. So best is to check out in your company what is the policy. Go and read their policy. Go and keep in touch with the manager, because they are the ones who are going to give you appraisal. So have a healthy relation with them and get in touch, understand what is the process and what needs to be done from your end to get a good rating. So I'm sure that you are going to get a good rating, and this video has been very useful to you to understand about the basic process of this appraisal thing. If there are any more things which you want to learn about, get more information about, do mention it in the comment box below, and I'll definitely try to make a video on it. So thank you guys very much for watching this video, and do like my video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.